Hi, I bring you a video for a new medal by Sen Yangmin. Panda Luno. This is a 2-ounce medal with 0.99 silver. Mintage at 299. Diameter 40 mm. You will see is high relief finishing with a panda in front and a great wall at the background. You will see the bamboo at the left side and a flower at the right side. At the back of the coin is gold, 3 gold. This means 三阳开泰 in Mandarin. You will see there is a daddy and mommy and a little goat. At the top, there is 2 birds there, represent a fortune and happiness of the family. And at the below, there is a so-called a yuan bao, is a money there. Due to the poor quality of the iPhone video, you can't see clearly. I'm going to take some picture later and show you guys. It is a very good manufacturing product. Hope you guys enjoy.